Okay, I am inside my Microsoft Excel, and I have a table over here, which I just put in some random value. Okay, and I am extracting rows and column from this table to these two buckets. But before that, let's have a look at it. Right. So I'm actually extracting column over here. All right. Of course, this is the range, the blue color one, for the first, third, fifth, and first column. First, third, fifth, and the first column. See that? See this? All right. So this is the formula up here. So choose column allowed me to extract data directly from a table. But of course, if I can choose column, I can do choose row. See? Right. So I set the my areas. Right. So this blue color here. Right. And I take the row first, third, fifth, and first. So first, third, fifth, and the first. Right. From here. See this? All right. So what's the good thing about this? Right. What is good about this is I am not copying the data out. I am just choosing the column or the row actually out. Right? I'm just choosing it instead of copying